Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic LibreOffice tutorials how to add checkbox. As example, I will add checkbox at this point, and then you can go to view menu, toolbars, active for from controls, and then if you want to add checkbox, you can click these icons, and then I will draw at this point like this. If you want to edit this text box, you can double click, and then I will change the names for labels, like I will set into please check. Click OK in it, and then you can close. So it will be automatically changed, and then we already create text box in this document. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.